Hello everyone. Today we're showcasing our fully automatic stainless steel U-bending machine for long U-tubes. This machine is designed for tubes with a diameter of 9.52 mm, wall thickness of 0.35 mm, and a bending radius of R25. It can bend up to 8 tubes in a single cycle, delivering high efficiency and consistent precision. As stainless steel tubes become the preferred choice for heat exchanger production worldwide, we provide complete, proven solutions for tube bending, tube expansion, welding, and full-line processing. If you're looking for reliable, high-performance equipment for your heat exchanger manufacturing, feel free to share your requirements with us. We're ready to discuss custom solutions tailored to your production needs.